Hey, what's up, investors? So today I'll speak about the US indexes, oil, Bitcoin, and other stuff. And let's start with the S&P 500. Its current level 3680. So I think that here the correction is not finished. As I see, my focus is that we have here a support level at 3583. So most probably I think that we have a good probability in July to see this to try to trade this level. Index of IT companies also is very oversold. Now we can see the RSI, the momentum indicator is now at the level of 30. So the last time we could see this index so low, it was in the COVID crisis. So now it's not bad level to buy, but I think that we can see this index also a little bit lower. So in my mind, we have here a level of about 10,000. So most probably next month we could see this index a little bit lower, because I think that the correction is not finished yet. So we'll see how this index will trade on the next weeks. The DXY, the US index dollar, is still we can see that it's very elevated. Let's have a look on the monthly chart. Now we are trading at the top of this range, so still we are trading above 100. So all the other currencies are devaluated relative to dollars. So in my mind, now dollar is the most stable and the best currency for now. And the oil price, we can saw the last week is a small correction. It was about, let's check, the correction itself was about 8% in the weekly chart, but still we are trading above 100 per barrel. So I think that until we won't break this level, the support level 100, the inflation and the oil price still will be enough high. And the US Treasury bonds, 10-year bonds, now its yield is more than 3%. It's a big issue for the stock market. It's a problem because at the history general, when we saw a rising yield of the bonds, the stock market showed us a correction. And also, if we had a yield of 3%, maybe 4 or 5%, so why should we go to the stock market and buy individual stocks or S&P or Nasdaq, some market ETFs or some other stock related indexes and assets, when we have here a relative high yield, very safe and very stable. And now it's 3.23, but if we will see yield higher, for example 4 or 6, maybe 7, I don't know, it's possible, because let's check at the history. Yeah, it was look at this at 84, 80, 88, the yield of these bonds was 10, even 11. So why not until the inflation in the US will not come down, so the yield bond will continue to rise. And the B2C, the Bitcoin price, look, it's very tough correction. Now it's 20,000 per one Bitcoin. I think that it's not the final of the correction. There is a high probability that we could see another correction of about 50%. Yeah, and here is a good level, good support level. We can find it here at about 10,000, and also the horizontal levels also situated here. We can see a huge cluster here, so not the best time to buy Bitcoin. I think that we should wait, and I repeat that there is a high probability to see continuing of this correction. And let's see a few stocks that now I'm buying. The first one is American Eagle Outfitters. So now if we are looking at the chart, it's a monthly chart. We're currently in the very strong support level. It's about 11 bucks. We can see that from the 2004 to 2005, and it's still this support level is still actual. So on the weekly chart, for example, the RSI, the momentum is below 30, so it's very oversold already. So I think that maybe from here it's can be the price of the stock can bounce. Also its multiplicators, the PE ratio less than 7, and PS price per share is also less than 1. It's very cheap, so it means that for 40 cents we can buy $1 of its revenue. Also, this company is paying dividend, nice dividend. Its dividend yield is more than 6%, and the quarter revenue is above 1 billion, and we can see also that it's a profitable company. Of course, its margin is decreasing. It was 11 net margin. Now last quarter it's 3%, but still it should be mentioned that it's a profitable company, and its performance yield today is more than 50%. So I think that now it's a good level and nice moment to buy this stock. And the last one for today is Palantir, also a stock that now I'm considering to buy. Let's check this out. We can see that now we are trading below the IPO level. Its IPO was at October 20. So regarding Palantir, we can see very tough correction from its high. Now it's a correction more than 80%, and now let me check one thing. Yes, unfortunately still it's this company is not profitable. It's quarterly showing us losses, but these margins show us small signs that it's going to be improved. And if we will see, we will check the RSI, the momentum indicator, also the weekly parameter is below 30. So Palantir also is the second stock that now I am continuing to buy. Of course, the stock market now is correction. We don't know when and where the correction will finish, but these two stocks, in my opinion, for now is looking very cheap. So I think it's a good opportunity to add and to buy some cheap stocks to my portfolio. So if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe onto my channel. See you the next time.